To make this Hainanese chicken rice dish successful, each element must be prepared with meticulous care. The rice should be slightly firm and well flavored. The chicken is tender and juicy, not overcooked. The subtly spiced ginger sauce is very tasty, and the broth is clear. I give you all the techniques to succeed. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by preparing the broth. Put in the saucepan 1 kilogram of chicken carcass, 1 onion, 4 ginger slices, 3 liters of water, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, skim it. Turn on very low heat, put a lid, and let simmer for 30 minutes. Remove the piece of fat inside the chicken. We will use it later. Spread half teaspoon of salt inside the chicken. Cut 5 slices of ginger. Put them in. And 2 spring onions as well. Mix in a small bowl half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Spread this texture on the outside of the chicken. Let it rest while preparing the rice. Mince 40 grams of shallots. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 teaspoon. Wash 500 grams of jasmine rice 3 times. Let it drain. In a pan heated over medium heat, put the piece of chicken fat. Let it melt. Put the shallot and the grated ginger. Stir from time to time. After 3 minutes, they'll turn golden. Put the rice and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Regularly stir for 4 minutes. Remove the piece of fat and cut the fire. Put the rice in the rice cooker. Take 60 centiliters of chicken broth. Add it to the rice cooker. Stir and let cook. When the water in the steamer is boiling, cook the chicken over high heat for 30 minutes. My chicken weighs 1.5 kilograms. If you take a 2 kilogram chicken, cook it for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, cut a cucumber into chunks. Prepare the ginger dipping sauce. Peel and cut into pieces 80 grams of ginger. Peel 1/2 a clove of garlic. Crush them with half teaspoon of salt. Slice 1 spring onion. Add it in the sauce and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Combine. The sauce is ready. After 30 minutes, turn up the heat and leave the chicken in the pot with the lid for 5 minutes. Then open the lid and let it cool for 15 minutes. Remove the juice from the chicken. Cut it into pieces. The rice is cooked. Air it. Put on the plates of each guest a portion of rice, cucumber, ginger sauce, chicken. Also serve everyone a bowl of chicken broth. Bon appétit! The steamed chicken is very tender, juicy and tasty. The rice is well flavored. It was first browned with the chicken fat, the shallot and the ginger, then is cooked with the chicken broth. With the sauce and the broth, it's a fabulous dish. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.